Today we will learn how to create a subdomain for our main domain. Okay, let's first log in into our account. Once you're logged in into your account, you just have to go to your hosting package where you want to add a subdomain, right? So I'll go to my subdomain and then scroll down to subdomains. Click on it and then create a subdomain. I would like to create hmail. You can also define which folder this subdomain points to. One more thing I want to mention is mail.yourdomain.com is not available. Again, subdomain, which is mail.yourdomain.com, is not available because it is configured for your webmail. Although if you want to install a software at that particular domain, then you have to change your CNAME records. There is a tutorial in our knowledge base how to do that for you. Okay, so without complicating things, I want to create a hmail.mydomain.com subdomain and I want to point it to hmail subfolder. When I click create, there we go, it's been created. Now, if I copy my domain from here and then go to my domain, there we go. We got the domain working. Okay, so this is how you create subdomain.